Most travelers are playing a losing game, and they don't even know it. They wait in 2-hour lines. They pay $100 for a carry-on, and they sit by the floor outlet just to charge their phone. But there is a group of travelers playing by a different set of rules. Today, we're deploying 7 tactics that feel illegal, but are 100% legal. If you use tactic number 5, you might never pay for a checked bag again. This is Terminal Tactic. Let's get to work.
Tactic 1. The fragile sticker. When you check a bag, ask the agent for a fragile sticker. Why? Because the system is rigged. Fragile luggage is often loaded last and unloaded first. While everyone else is hovering over the carousel for 40 minutes, your bag is usually the first one out. It's a high percentage move for $0.
Tactic 2. The frozen liquid loophole. We all know the 3.4-ounce rule. But did you know TSA has a state-of-matter loophole? According to the official TSA website, if your liquid is frozen solid when you pass through security, it's considered a solid. It's true. You can bring a full bottle of your favorite drink. Just make sure it isn't slushy. Once you're through, let it melt and enjoy.
Tactic 3. The duty-free extra bag.
This is the ultimate hidden in plain sight tactic. Airlines are strict about the one personal item rule. However, almost every airline allows you to carry a duty-free shopping bag for free. If your carry-on is over the weight limit, move your heaviest items into a shopping bag. Gate agents almost never count them. It's the perfect extra bag.
Tactic 4. The gate check upgrade.
Tired of fighting for overhead bin space? Don't pay for early boarding. Instead, wait for the gate agent to announce the flight is full. This is your moment. Volunteer to gate check your bag for free. You get the same result as a checked bag, but you skip the $50 fee. And it's waiting for you at the jet bridge. Tactic 5. The pillowcase strategy. The big one.
This is the big one. Most airlines do not count a pillow as a personal item. Buy a travel pillowcase with a zipper. Take the stuffing out and pack it full of your clothes. You just gained 10 liters of storage space for free. It's a suitcase you can sleep on.
Tactic 6. The 24-hour regret rule. Found a cheaper flight 10 hours after you booked. In the U.S. and many other regions, Department of Transportation rules require airlines to offer a full refund within 24 hours of booking, provided the flight is at least a week away. No credits, no vouchers, real cash back. Use this to lock in a price while you keep searching for a better one. Tactic 7. The incognito myth versus reality. Everyone tells you to use incognito mode. That's a myth. The real tactic is location spoofing. Airlines often price tickets differently based on where you are. Use a VPN to set your location to a lower income country. This can save you hundreds on a single international flight.
Most people travel like amateurs. You're now a tactician. If you want to see exactly how to execute tactic number 3 at specific airports, click the video on your screen now. Subscribe to Terminal Tactic and never play the airline's game again.